What's up, guys? It's your boy, OG Rad. Today I'm out with the Optic. I'm actually on vacation doing a family reunion in Semora, North Carolina, at a gorgeous Airbnb, all right on the lake. We got our own boathouse, jet ski. Pretty nice. And that is the house. And we'll get some running footage in on the Optic H10. Let's get to it. And right here, I'm gonna start close to the house. And as we doing this, I'm gonna give you some upgrades and everything I did to this. And right now, I'm running the secure ESC on the Holmes Hobby. I forget what KV it is, but one of those little short revolvers. It's full of torque. And I'm running and when I acquired this, it came with a 25 kg, one of the red case servos from Amazon. That's what I'm running currently. Probably won't last long. And the maternal spring shocks also came with this rig. Got in a little trouble there, but get out of the sun. I got my weighted wheels on there. Those are my wheels. Most of the main stuff I did, was able to acquire, almost fell. I was able to acquire a brand new H10 Optic kit version cage. So now I had a black cage. Came with a gray cage. Guy had dyed it, but he did the cage mod and just completely cut the rear section off of that cage. I wasn't a fan of it, so I kind of just brought it back to its original state. I don't know if you can see that revolver in there turning. I'm even still running the stock remote with this thing. And as far as future upgrades, I do have a front overdrive coming for. There's a ton of brass on the front that came with it. Got trill, third member housing, some Mias, believe the inner and the outer hubs. I got Mias, and this was one of my upgrades. I got Mias titanium high clearance links for the lowers. And this thing also has an extended wheelbase. I'm not quite sure, but I believe it's 14 inches and some change at least. And I'm gonna take her down to the boathouse and kind of work her back up some rocks alongside of this path. But this is a pretty steep path. I just got scared to death by a neighbor's dog. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. How you doing? How you doing, buddy? What's up? Where you go? Where you come from? Oh, it's two of you. Yeah, but I really need to pay attention because didn't see or hear them guys coming up on me. Thank God they was friendly. But head on down to this boat dock, and you know, if you see them white rocks over there to the right of this trail, I'm gonna try to snake my way through there with this optic. And this is my first run since I rebuilt it. See what we get. Alright guys, we're at the beginning of these rocks. And like I say, we are here in beautiful Semora, North Carolina. I'm already caught up on these rocks. I think these rocks may be a little too much for them. We are here in Hyco Lake. And I believe Hyco Lake is the name of the community that we're here. And so far so good with this optic. It is, of course, beasting its way through these rocks. And as you can see, the secure ESC made it up to this Holmes hobby. Had some awesome low speed control. Nice and smooth. And tons of torque. Now down low, this thing has a ton of torque, just as much as the Fusion Pro. Not as much wheel speed up high, but it's a crawler. Today is Sunday, August 17th. It's about 10:40 a.m. and it has to be 90 degrees out here. Most of the time I would say it's a little cooler because we're here by the lake. It is not. Yep, not at all. It is not. It is hot and humid. I'm sweating like an extra on Django. Now, most of this is just frustration for me being hot and sweat running in my eyes. Try to slow it down, take my time through here. A little later on, I think I'm gonna do some fishing for the first time in a long time. Got two of my sons with me, and they both love fishing. I don't, because of heat, mosquitoes. But I think I would like to do it with these guys. Got them both with me. Try to come through here a different way. Try to get more over to the right. We are almost to the end of this thing. guys, please like and subscribe. Check out the link from my Amazon store in the description. And leave me a comment. Every interaction really helps the channel out. And it don't take much effort to hit that like button. And I'm about 18 inches from finishing, and I thought I was stuck. At least finish this section. Bring a bunch of dead vegetation along with me, but we made it through.